What's going on, guys? We are officially out here at the H2 meetup. We're with a group of bikes. I honestly have no idea what's going on right now, or where we're going, or what's going on. I assume that we're on the way to the race spot. I'm on the H2, Brian's on the Turbo Busa. There's a few H2s out here. There's an H2SX up there, ZX14, R1. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. Just everything just keeps meeting up with us on the highway. I don't know if we're doing hits here. I don't know. But you're in for an action-packed day of racing. I can guarantee it. I'm going to do my best to hand out as many personal L's as possible. Brian's got the GoPro on backwards on the Busa just to let people know that he means business today. He ain't taking no L's. He ain't taking no L's today. Give this guy a shout out. I didn't even get his name. I just got thrown into a group with him, but they've been pretty nice. Was it Outspoken Tiger? That's what it looks like. Yeah, Outspoken Tiger. Yeah. So, pretty cool guy. They just kind of adopted us into their group, brought us out, because we didn't know where the hell we were going. Still don't know what to do with my hands. All I know is you put a bike next to me, I'm going to race it. You want to get a test hit real quick? Get over. Get over. We'll do a test hit. Just do a quick rip. Oh, we're about to hit the corner. What is that, ZX14? It says, let me snap him off right quick. Show that ZX14 how to boost the do. Alright guys, we have so many bikes here. We're still waiting on more people to meet up. Like I said, Brian's on the Busa, I'm on the H2. They were hooking pretty good. The H2 had a little bit of traction issues in first. I'm going to try to air it down some. The Busa hooked immediately in first gear, so he should be good to go. There's a lot of fast bikes coming, so we're going to definitely get some runs off. Stay tuned. We're going to be heading out here in a minute. Another H2 pulls up. That's what I'm talking about. You want to get a warm-up run in? I guess. I'm going to warm my tire up real quick. You ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this thing's nasty in first gear. Yeah. First gear to second. Let's say good night, Busa. Good night. Alright guys, this is the actual meet. I didn't know what I was talking about. This looks like it. It looks pretty packed. A lot of bikes. A lot of bikes. All kinds of good stuff. There's Damon directing us into the H2 spot. Alright guys, we're going to go out and do some hits. He should be the same setup basically as me, is what he says. I don't know what he's geared. He's just basically filter, tune, exhaust. Brian's on the Busa. He's going to be running a Ninja H2SX, I believe. I'm going to have to get the tire warm so that I can do a first gear hit. He jumped out on me. I don't know what happened, but we reeled him in. Something happened. I think he let out. We'll see if we can get another one off. She hooked him first, though. Hooked him first, no problem. Going over to the side too much, I think. He's getting out on me pretty dang good. I think he's got a drag radial on. I'm not sure. With that, I'm spinning. That run I spun. Not a lot, but enough for me to be like pretty freaking back on him from the hit. With this thing being 2 up in the rear, I mean, it's got a lot of power in first gear. I may be better off just hitting it in second. I may try that. This is pretty awesome, though. I mean, we've got a section of street that the cops are just like, here's 2 hours. Have at it. How often does that happen? Worth the 8-hour drive. We're going to try another one, a little bit higher RPM. I'm going to put it in second. No way that bike doesn't make more power than me. He's way heavier than me. I'm geared shorter. There's no way. He definitely beat me though. Oh, get some of that. Get some of that. Good sport. You sure you only make 240?
About 250.
250? I was gonna say, you were running out on me pretty good. You were probably 2-3 bikes out.
Really?
Yeah.
You leave in a second?
The first 2 runs I did first. Yeah, first gear it was spinning. Yeah. And then second gear it just, I hooked. I mean, everything went right. You just pulled me. What's up with this cop back here? Ooh, got him. Alright, Brian's gonna run him. We'll see how this goes. Looked like he was coming around him. I don't know why he got out of it. I mean, you was fixing the freight train him. That choo-choo locomotive was coming around on the big end. Did you brake boost there? No brake boost? Those low mile an hour first gear hits, you need to brake boost. Tire nice and warm. Let's get one. She definitely came up when she hooked. God, this thing was definitely spinning pretty bad. I didn't think it was spinning that bad earlier, but she was, because she yanked it in first. I wasn't ready for that. I may start in second gear on this one just to see if, now that it's hooking, I mean, it came apart in first, so I'm either gonna have to roll into it in first or start in second, and I think with being geared slow, I can just start in second. They said it hung up on them in second gear, so I want to get a clean run with them. It's kind of not that clean of a run for either of us. That car had me shutting down early too. Got him! That was a clean one. Second gear is definitely not the go-to on a roll like that, though. It took me so long to pull through the RPMs there. I really need to be in first. See if he has enough spray for one more hit, and I'll do a first gear hit and just roll into it easier. Victory again. Rolling into it in first gear is the way to go. No wheelie, still savage acceleration. I'm starting to like this setup. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty glad I extended the swing arm on this thing, because I'd have been having my hands full with a bike like this out here, stock wheelbase. I don't know if I would have beat him. Throw a swing arm on. It's night-night, Jigsaw. Night-night.